Igbo Area TV on the Igbo.
22 Igbo communities declare end to FGM in Imo. FGM means female genital mutilation. An old practice that I think modernism and should have stopped. Please subscribe to our channel and let's look at this. Female genital mutilation, FGM, is one of the ancient practices, as we know, and is still in existence in some places today, despite civilization. Although in places where it is still being practiced, it depends on people's beliefs, because in as much as people still engage in it, in certain places, some people detest it on the ground that one can easily be infected as a result of it. It can lead to serious bleeding, etc. Well, based on this issue, a report had it that 22 communities in Ihite Uboma local government area of Imo State last week Thursday declared an end to the act in the area as a whole. Because you could imagine, the other day I had a lady had to run away. This lady was 20 plus or so. He ran away from their house and couldn't be seen for a long while because she got a tip off that they are trying to perform this on her. Ibiugu, some people say Ibiugu, doing and even you know what it means for someone who has grown up to face such a thing, the pains and everything. So she had to run away, and the family has been sending message to people to beg her to come home. This is an ancient practice, just like we said. Civilization and advancement could have is supposed to have stopped this. Some people continue the practice. So about 22 communities in Imo State just declared an end to it. The declaration for the abandonment of the FGM, female genital mutilation, in the local government area was made by the chairman of Imo Traditional Institution in Ihite Uboma, Eze Jude Walaka. He said that the declaration was in line with the state's anti-FGM law. This law has been in existence since 2017, and report shows that United Nations Children Emergency Fund (UNICEF) and the National Orientation Agency (NOA) were the organization that supported the FGM, female genital mutilation abandonment in the state. Wow, nice one. Whereafter Owalaka thanked them for their enduring solidarity to the cause. However, the chairman noted clearly that whoever that goes against the law would be duly prosecuted and punished as an example to others that will violate it. The chief of field office Enugu, Mr. Ibrahim Conte, gave a remark in which he also applauded the move, and he said it was a demonstration of civil obedience and adherence to laws. The UNICEF consultant in Imo State and Ebonyi, Mr. Benjamin Mbakwem, who also represented Conte, described the practice as a component of violence against women and girls. Therefore, commended the efforts of the community for that bold step they took, and described it as, and while urging other leaders to keep it up, and wish other Igbo communities where these things are so popular and common to learn from these ones. He added that they have been of support for implementing partners through advocacy and community mobilization as to improve social norms for FGM abandonment, saying that they are the most excited that the results were positive. So all their plans to assist the community to drop that idea of FGM, it's becoming fruitful. We need to mention all who are involved for the sake of these people needs to this needs to be in the record. The NOA director in Imo, Vitus Ekosha, also spoke during the event, and he described the declaration by those villages as most decisive step by communities involved, and also commended them for the collective willingness to put an end to this negative health social consequences. A lot of leaders spoke during the event, and Nkechi Ugu, the Commissioner for Women Affairs in the state, appealed to the said community residents as well that they should remain law-abiding and fight the so-called FGM till the end. Chike Omembe also spoke. He was the local government chairman of the area, and he thanked the partners, the NOA and the UNICEF, for their support. Also, representatives of 22 communities in the local government area, the traditional and the religious leaders, among others, were on attendance at that event. Wow. It's just like the abandonment of Osu. Igbos are waking up. This is not trampling upon of our tradition. No. There are certain things, practices that should be abandoned because they are not creating any values. The other time we shared about Osu and the Osuka system and the moves to stop it. A lot of people got angry that they are attacking our beliefs because of modernism. No. Imagine if you were an Osu. Think about it. If you are trapped in this ancient practice and it is affecting you, would you want it abolished? This is a question I'm asking those who said Osu should not go and things like this. If you lose your daughter in the process, or if your daughter decides to run away, God forbid, will you want to still keep on with the practice? Please add your comment. Let's talk about this further. Igbo man wins student union president election in Sweden. Igbo. And the Igbo man, in fact, his name is Rinzechukwu Onwura by name, is said to have emerged the winner in Malmö University, Sweden. We won the student union president after being elected. After elections, yeah. It was indeed a big one for the entire Nigerian students in Sweden, as they all jubilated. They are actually making us proud, and this is just the beginning of more to come. Chukwu, as he is fondly called, has high slogan for his manifesto as FICA, where F stands for fix what is needed, I stands for interact to enable understanding, then K stands for K, C stands for compromise, democracy, and A simply stands for action to serve. Meanwhile, the FICA slogan is widely known in Sweden for T. So A, very big congratulations to Arinze Chukwu. What do you think? People are making exploits anywhere they go. What do you think? Now, in rounding up, these are 18 countries that you can travel by bus from Nigeria. We would like to look at the 18 countries you can travel by bus to Nigeria. You know, these days many Nigerians want to travel abroad or outside the country of their origin, either to have fun or for business transactions. Some people consider how much would they spend before they can travel abroad, but there are many countries that Nigerians can travel to without going to airports. 18 countries without going to airports. So just like we said, Nigeria has boundaries with so many countries, like Benin Republic, Chad, Cameroon, etc. Below are countries where Nigerians can travel without flights. 1. Benin Republic. 2. Togo. 3. Ghana. 4. Ivory Coast. 5. Burkina Faso. 6. Liberia. 7. Sierra Leone. 8. Guinea-Bissau. 9. Senegal. 10. Gambia. 11. Cameroon. 12. Gabon. 13. Equatorial Guinea. 14. Niger. 15. Chad. 16. Guinea. 17. Libya. 18. Democratic Republic of Congo. Those that have a New Year resolution to visit other countries, you can travel any of these countries if you are planning to spend less. But to those that have all the cash, can visit the countries in other continents. You can get direct buses to some of these countries from Nigerian parks, e.g. Ghana, Togo, Benin Republic, Chad, Cameroon, Burkina Faso. You know about cross country. They goes to most of these countries, and the most popular ones, the Chisco, the young shall grow. These guys goes to Ghana as if they are going to Lagos from east. So it's so easy, and they can actually enter so easily as if you are going to living east to Lagos. Yeah, just like living east to Lagos. Yeah. Please add your comment. Tell us what you think. Remember to comment with respect. Bye for now.
Thanks for watching Igbo Area TV. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Also click the bell icon. Like our Facebook page. Join our Facebook group. Follow us on Twitter and Instagram. Bye for now.